These are the beds in the field, and as you can see, some are weeded and mulched and others are desperately behind and need sorting out. Now here, all up here, is mulched with this nice compost, and it's my own compost. There's some parsley left in from last year. Now we get to here and you can see the difference. And this is semi-fresh horse manure. Now all the books and aficionados say, oh, you must never plant into fresh manure. I've found that if you put fresh manure on top of well-established healthy soil and you plant into the soil rather than planting into the fresh manure, stuff does well, and I've been doing it a long time. So here's winter garlic, and again it's planted it into the fresh soil underneath the fresh mulch. Here again, garlic doing well. And there's that question, dig or no dig. Well, I don't like that term. I prefer minimal disturbance, because here you can put weed what's there and then put mulch on top, and that indeed is no dig. But what about here? Look at these weeds. And if a bed has got a bit behind, then you have to dig it out, and this is what I'm doing with this bed. Now here, this is really fresh manure, and I've dug down to cut the weeds invading from above. And this trench is destined to have a wall in it. But this is fresh manure. This side is rhubarb, and I've been doing this for years. And you can see the fresh manure on top that I've just put on, and then the soil underneath, which I've dug and cleared of weeds. And just look at the quality of that soil. It's amazing. So the rhubarb will stay as it is, and it gets big and the leaves come right across here. But there's this strip here, and into this I will plant potatoes, but I'll make sure that they're planted well below the fresh manure line. Now, fresh manure has two big advantages. It's sterile, no seeds, no eggs, and because of its acidity, it will quash weeds underneath it. Now, within a matter of 2 or 3 months of soaking and absorbing nutrients and microorganisms from the healthy soil below, it will start to become viable compost. So that's the way I do it. Dig when you need to, no dig when you don't. Listen to those birds. Ba-dum, ba-dum.